Hi, I'm Leanne Rodriguez, and I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of my app Nutrimotion, which helps people build healthy habits with food and exercise tracking. So first we're going to start with onboarding, and onboarding consists of a short questionnaire. And the questionnaire is meant to really customize the user's experience with recommendations on food and exercise. So let's start off with our goals, and for that you can select more than one. Then we're going to put our age, height, and weight, our activity level, fitness level, any focus areas, diet type, and how many meals and snacks are eaten per day, any food preferences, any food exclusions or allergies. And then from that questionnaire, we get our personalized plan within the app. So in this scenario, we're just barely using the app. We've never used it before. So we're going to sign up with email and create an account. And here we see a coach mark that lets us know that we are in the diary, and this is where we're going to track our food and exercise. So the first feature that we're going to look at is adding a meal from our meal plan. So there's actually two ways of doing this. The first one would be to click on the plus sign on Add First Meal. We see that there are 4 tabs here, so we're going to go to My Meal Plan. We see that we have week 1 here, and we have the different days of the week, and we can select different ones. So let's say today we're on Monday, and this is today's date. We see that we have our first meal. We click Add to Diary, and then we see that information here. And the calorie count as well. So another way to do this, adding a meal from meal plan onto diary, would be to go to meals, and we see the meals page. We see that there are 2 tabs. It's always going to open up on meal plans, and the same exact layout. We can go ahead and click Add to Diary, and just like before, it's going to show up here. So that would be another way of doing this. So the next feature is looking for a recipe to add to diary. So let's say that maybe we don't want to follow a meal plan, we just kind of take it day by day. So for that, we would go to meals, we would go to the recipes tab, and then we can go ahead and look for a recipe that way. So let's say that we only have minimal time. We want to find something that's a 15-minute cook or prep time, and in our kitchen we've only got tuna for protein, or at least you're in the mood for tuna. So you can go ahead and select that, and then here are your results. You can pick whichever you would like, and then here you can see your recipe. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and add that to diary. You just simply click Add to Diary, and then that's been added, and you can see that shown here in diary as your second meal. The next feature we're going to look at is adding a workout to your diary. So we're going to go ahead and click on workouts, and here we see workouts that are suggested for you. Again, this is part of the customization that the app provides for the user. So based on that initial questionnaire. So suggested, let's go ahead and click on that first suggested video. After viewing the video, you can go ahead and click Add Workout to Diary, and then that has been successfully added, and you can see that shown up here in the diary along with the calories that have been burned. The next feature that we're going to be looking at is actually a feature that involves further tailoring the user's experience in the app. So something that they can do is go into settings to really alter what they see on the app. So let's say that we have a user that has had very negative experiences when it comes to counting calories. They feel frustration when it comes to that. So something that they can do is actually hide the calories that are displayed throughout the app. So they can go into settings and turn the calories displayed right off. If they want to go even a step further, they can also hide the calories burned that are displayed when it comes to workouts. So that could be really helpful for those users. So we can see up here that that calorie information has been hidden, and it's been hidden from their meals and their workout, and that would be the same for any other page within the app as well. Again, Nutrimotion is an all-in-one fitness app that really focuses on both food and exercise equally. And it is designed to help people track their health habits more efficiently, which in turn really allows them to continue their health journeys. Thank you for watching my short presentation on the app Nutrimotion and the important features that it has to offer.